Hi everyone, it's Jason here. Before you create your first mobile app, let me share with you the global mobile data traffic from 2014 to 2019. So as you can see from this graph, the growth is exponential. So it grows at about 57%. This means that mobile app is a very good tool for you to expand your business or to make money. So if you are non-programmers, this may be a problem for you to make mobile app. But don't worry, we actually provide you a very good platform to make mobile apps without programming. So you can go to this site here, 88mobileapp.com, and let me explain to you how it works. First, you pick a template, and then you edit it, you build it, and finally you deploy it to multiple mobile app store, including Apple App Store, Google Play Store, Amazon App Store. So in order to pick templates, we have various templates for you to choose. There are about 250 app templates in our system. So the category including sports, restaurant and bar, entertainment, business, design and portfolio, events and courses, digital publishing, music and band, location and places, e-commerce, and even simple games. So you have many choices. So just go to 88mobileapp.com to have a look. Thank you. So let us look at the features here. So in this platform, you can actually sync with your mobile app by using this platform. You also can send push notification right within our platform, and you can set in-app purchases. We have also PDF editor. We have News Sense, which is for magazine. And you can set login page, image overlays, and even search application content. And we have also GPS and directions, image gallery, and even doing your blog in your app. So you can even integrate with Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. And you can select your style of menu and choose near me locations and set menu items. And the advertising network we have is AdMob by Google, RevMob, iAd by Apple. And you can even do custom tabs. We have view navigation, and we have Google Analytics, which can track the user activity of your mobile app. And we have GPS coupon, and you can even customize the greeting cards inside the platform. And we have phone get features, which when you're using JavaScript, CSS or HTML5, you can using our phone get and deploy to multiple mobile platforms, iOS, Android, and even Windows Phone. And you can set this view 360 degree. And we have EPUB, and we have dictionary, the WebKit menu, and we have feedback form. Then we have this bump technology, and you can even set your own e-commerce point of sales. And you can create your mobile store if you want it. And we actually have more detailed features, and you can always go to 88mobileapp.com/features to look at the details features. So that's it for this video. Thank you. So before you create your new app, you will need to install the previewer. You will need to go to My Apps here and then click this Android. First, we will go to Android previewer. You need to click here to download the APK file. So by following these instructions, you can install your app previewer. So first, you connect the Android device to your PC via the USB cable and turn on the USB storage. And then you copy this APK file to the attached device storage. So actually I already downloaded it here. So just copy this file to your phone internal storage. So I just click here, double click the internal storage, download, and then I just drag this file to here. So let's see again the instructions. You need to turn off this USB storage and disconnect it from PC. And then you just check the option Settings, Application, Unknown Sources. So now I'm on my mobile phone now. So just go to File Manager here. And then you go to Downloads. And then just tap here. So before you do this step, make sure you go to Settings. And then go to Security. And then remember to check this one. So actually I already checked this one. So I just go to File Manager again and tap this button. So this is a previewer app. Next, install. Accept. And then just open. So log in with your username and password and you can preview your mobile app right from our platform. That's it. Thank you. In order to create a new app, you click this button, Create New App. And then you go to Templates. Then you go to here, Blank Templates. Scroll down a bit and you choose this one, Blank Template. So I just hit this select button. Use this template. Then I name this application ID as App 001. Create. Configure later. And then on this target, you choose native Android. And device display, you choose Nexus 5. And after this, you click Edit Pages. Edit here again. And then you convert page. And then you type audio. So we choose this one, audio play. So this app actually allows the user to listen to music files that have been uploaded into the application. So both work on this iOS and Android. And you can always click this one to view all other pages. So for this lesson, we concentrate on audio play, and then you just hit convert. So actually you can just set the other parameters here. So the cover image, author, title, and the stream URL, which is in MP3 format. So this one I can change author, and then I type title. So this will also change. If this change, this will also change. So cover image, better have the same dimension with this file. So you just click here, and then you download this one. Right click, download, and then open with, or you can save it if you want. So I just open with Windows Photo Viewer. I click OK. Right click here again, Properties, and then the dimension is this. So maybe I will need Photoshop to create an image that is same with this dimension. So I will cover some of the tutorials on the Photoshop section. So just scroll down to the Photoshop section to learn how to edit images. So I just close this one. And then for this stream URL, actually you can get this MP3 from site like Audio Jungle, or you can search online for free for this royalty-free musics. So you can just hit here, and then you upload the MP3 files from your computer. So note that this one needs to be in MP3 format. So that's it. You already created this audio app. So before you create this app, you go to this edit pages here to go back to the pages. Then I just edit this one again for tab 2. Again, you click convert page, and then here you select contains. So just type mortgage. So I just select here, convert. So just within minutes, your mortgage loan calculator app already created. So you just click save, and then done. So now I'm going to my mobile phone here. So I just preview. Tab 2. So you can input any value you want. For example, this one, 500,000. Down payment, 10,000. Loan amount will auto-calculated. Interest rate. Term of loan. And then just press calculate. So it will calculate for you. So that's it for this mortgage loan calculator app. Thank you. So in order to create countdown timer app, you just press edit here. we will be on tab 3. So edit, and then convert page, and then you press here, countdown timer, select, convert, and then here maybe you can say an event called Christmas. So the target date, maybe I put it as December 25th, 2019. So today maybe your date is September 11, 2019. So I just press save here. So notice that if countdown to Christmas, it will take around 104 days, 7 hours, 50 minutes and 33 seconds. So this is based on the year 2019. So after you save, you just hit done. So actually you can change the color of the background. So I just hit style, and then you can change the background color here. Let's say I put red color, choose, and then I apply changes. So you can always choose the color you liked, and maybe you can just edit this text here if you want from the other page, previous page I mean. So you can always edit here. Maybe you don't want the word counting down to, you can always change here, HTML, this one. So you can always change to the text you want. So that's it for this countdown timer app. Thank you. In order to create more tabs here, you need to go to this app dashboard here. So I just click dashboard, and then I go to navigation settings, and then on these standard tabs, I just duplicate tab 4. Maybe I duplicate twice. So in order to create tab number 5 and tab number 6. So after this, I just save changes, and then I go back to dashboard again, and I choose edit pages. So now I go back to my mobile phone again. So I just press the back button, preview again. So here's the tab 1, tab 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. You can actually create unlimited tabs if you want. So say I go and create tab until number 10. So I just go back to here, click dashboard, navigation settings, duplicate. This one will become number 7, 8, 9, 10. So I just save changes. So to double check, I go to my PC link again, which is my mobile phone. Press the back button, preview again. Tab number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And so on if you want. So that's it for this video. Thank you. In order to create email marketing app, you go to this tab 4 here and then click Edit. And you choose Convert Page. And then you find Feedback. So this is a page. Click here, Convert. And then you can always redesign this banner here. This is your header image. So you can always browse and choose a PNG file. So the target email, you can target at least one, meaning you can target 2 or 3 email. So maybe this is your company email, or you want to add another email to your marketing team. So let's say this is your company email address, and then the email subject, you can write thanks for your feedback. And then this submit button, you can choose send confirmation message. You can write we will reply you as soon as possible. So you uncheck all this. This one don't choose. So you just remove all this and you add again. So this is, you choose text. This is your customer name. Require, yes. So you add another one. This is their email, your customer email. Require also, choose yes. And then add another one. Your message, also require. So after this, you're happy with all this, you just click save. So remember, you can add another target email as you want. Save. And then just done. So now I go to my mobile phone again. So basically your customer can write their name here and then their email address, and lastly their message. So after they are happy with the message here, they will just click send here. And then the message tell, we will reply you as soon as possible. So just press OK. And your customer, both your customer and you or your company will receive the same email. So you just reply to your customer inquiry. So this email marketing app is very powerful. Remember to take advantage of it. That's it. Thank you. In order to create a messenger app, first you go to this edit button here for tab 5. So I click edit. And then on this convert page, you click here. And then you type messenger. You choose this one. And then you convert. So note that the maximum allowed message length is 255. So meaning if you put 256, it won't work. And the minimum is 20. So if you put 20 here, you put 20 here. So meaning this length will be only limit to 20 characters. So note that you can choose any length that you want. So I just put 255 here. And for this one, you can add as many topics as you want depending on your niche. So I just create as many as I want. And then you can rename it here. Topic, new topic 1. This one maybe new topic 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Of course, this one you can customize to your own needs. So after that, you just save. And then you hit done. So now let us look at the mobile phone here. So this is my mobile phone. I'm going to preview it. Tab 5. And then as you can notice, just now we created 6 topics. So I just press new topic 1. So you will need to log in first before you can type a message. So you can either log in here, sign in or log in here, or log in here. So you can sign in with Google or Facebook. So let us try Facebook first. So I just sign in with Facebook. And then you can start typing. So I just type hi, everyone. And then for the other topic, topic number 2. So you can try the remaining topics if you want. So remember, you can either sign in Google or Facebook. So one thing to mention here, when a message is posted, all application users are notified. So this Messenger app is very powerful. When a new message is sent, so all your app users are notified. So depending on your needs, maybe your app need to put this Messenger app. So it is totally depends on your choices. So that's it for Messenger app. Thank you. In order to create your slot machine app, you click here, edit for tab 6. And then you convert page. Then you find slot machine. So just take here and then convert. So as you can see here, you can actually change this graphics if you want. So this is spin.png. So maybe you can change your style of spinning button. So this rotation time, you can change from 3 to other value. And then this is a spin button, music sounds, rotation sound, stop sound, winning sound, and lose sound. So this limit, you set it as 0 for unlimited, no expiration, and this one you can actually increase the slot numbers. Maybe this one until 7, until 10 also can. So I will advise you to, if this one 1 to 6, this one also 1 to 6, this one also 1 to 6. So remember, if you click here, this one is image and 7. 7.png meaning this image here. So number 2, crown.png, 3, bar, lemon, apple, cherry. So I will pause the video here and then I finish this part. So I just finished this part here. So remember, you need to choose the image rather than text for all these components. So the winning combination will be 1 cell, 1 cell, and 1 cell. And you can add cell also if you like it. Maybe you add another one, which is 2 cell, 2 cell, and 2 cell here. So for this slot machine app, the purpose is to link user to secret pages in your app if they are lucky. Meaning if they win, they will bring to a secret page that you created in your app. So how to create this secret page? Maybe you can just go here and then under this edit pages, under this edit pages menu, you go and add one secret page. So maybe I just choose a blank HTML here and then next. And then you rename here as secret. Add page. So you just click done. And then this is your secret.html. So meaning for this page, it won't reveal inside your mobile app until they win the combination. So you will just put secret.html here. But for testing purposes, I just type pad1.html. So I change this one to 2. Or if you feel this is complicated, you just remove this one. So next step, we will test it on mobile phone. So one thing to point out, you can always change the image here, provided that the maximum size is 70 times 40 pixel. So maybe this cherry you can change to another image. So finally, you already created your slot machine app. Thank you. In order to create voice recorder app, you just click here, edit, on tab 7, Then you go to convert page. Then you start typing voice recorder, this one, and then just convert. So you can actually put your email or your company email here so that your app user can send their sound to you. Or you can leave it blank if you want. So this one, record on open. When your user just open the app, it will straight recording their voices. So you can leave it blank if you want, or you can check it to let your user automatically record their voices when they tap the app. So I just leave these two blank here, and then I just save, and then done. So now I'm on my mobile phone now. I just preview it. And then I go to tab number 7. So no records found, meaning there's no voice recorded at first. So you just tap this plus button. And then you can start recording. So I just press the red button, REC here for recording. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. So you just tap the use, and then you hear the voice. So I just tap here. And then you choose Google Play Music.
Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3. Testing 1 2 3.
So I just press the back button on my smartphone here. And then you can send by pressing these 3 dots here. You can send all or share. So I just tap Gmail. And then you can send to the recipients and put your subject here. So I just delete this message. Or you can send all via FTP. If you have FTP server, this is another option for you. So you just tap send all by FTP. Your host name, basically your website name, username and password. Then you just click next and your voice files will be uploaded to FTP server. So I just hit cancel. And basically you can add as many sounds as you want. So the sounds will be stored on your app. So that's it. You already created voice recorder app. Thank you. To create GPS app, first you go to this edit button here on tab number 8. So edit. And then you choose convert page. Then you type here map. So just choose here convert. And then for the map title, you just leave it as map title. And then you add a location here. So for example, my location is the White House. In order to choose a latitude, or longitude of this place. So just press here, the location picker. So I just click this button, and then you type the White House. Then I just press OK. So note that this one you can put your place, maybe your restaurant, your business location. So for this example, I will use the White House, which has this latitude and this longitude. So remember to put your decimal places, about 6 decimal places. This one also about 6 decimal places. So for the target URL, so the standard format is this. You just type this one, and then question mark, Q, equal sign, and then this one is a latitude, comma, and then this one is a longitude. So I will copy this whole URL here, Ctrl C for copy, and then I just paste here, Ctrl V. Description, you can write like this, tap here to go. So for this zone percent, you leave it as 100%. After you're happy with this one, you just click save and then done. So I just hit preview. And then go to tab number 8. So this location is the White House. And then I just tap here. The location will show the White House. Tap here to go. And when you press this button, if you go to Google Maps, so I just tap this one. So maybe your app user, you tap here, the blue circle button, and then choose starting point. Maybe he can choose your location. So say my location is the World Bank, so I type here. So this is just for example. In order to get precise location, your app user maybe need to go to settings here, and then turn on their location. For the mode, choose high accuracy. So basically, you can integrate the GPS app into your mobile app. So that's it for this video. Thank you. In order to create photo sharing app, first you go to this edit button here for tab 9. And then you hit convert page. So just type here photo effect. And then I choose this one, convert. So for this album title, you leave it as library. And then this welcome image, you also can change if you want. For this example, I will use back this PNG file. And then target email, I will also leave it blank so that my user can choose who to send. And just click here. Let's say I put 5 pictures here. For your information, all these images are stickers to your photos. So they are actually stickers which can add to your photos. So for this example, I will use about 5 pictures here, or 5 stickers. So for picture 1, I can choose my image here. So let's say I choose this one, apple. Choose. And then just copy this one. On here, picture 3, picture 4, picture 5. So of course, you can make your own stickers and then just upload here. You can browse here, click upload, and then choose your photos as stickers. So I just cancel it, close. And then after you're happy with all this, you just click save. And then done. So I'm on my mobile phone now. I just click preview. And then I go to tab 9. So start by tapping open. So I just open. You can choose your photo from gallery in your smartphone or camera. Just once. So this is my photo. Maybe I will need to add some effect here. Gray, or original color, or sepia. So I just choose sepia as an example. So for adding stickers, I go to mask here. And then I choose. Let's say I choose a second sticker. So I tap here. Notice that you can actually tap many times to make it bigger. And then you can move around if you want. So I just move here. And then you can add another sticker if you want. So I just go to mask again, choose. Say I choose the 5th stickers. So again, I can tap multiple times to make it bigger. And then I change the direction. Of course, you can make your own HD stickers if you want. So after your app user happy with this photo, they will just share on social media, for example. So I just click send here. And then share via apps. Or you can save to gallery. So I just share via apps. OK. And then I choose Facebook. And then you just hit post. So notice that this is to only me. So I just, for this example, I will choose only me. And then I just post. So you will notice that the photos already uploaded to Facebook. So you can actually integrate this photo sharing app in your mobile app. So that's it for this video. Thank you. In order to create your ebook app, first you go to this edit here on tab number 10. So I click edit. and then I click convert page. Then here you just type PDF. So on the first results, PDF editor, so you just convert. First, you will need your PDF. So if you have PDF, you can upload here. So just click upload. Here's the good news for you. You can always go to this website here or URL to get the free ebooks. So remember to go this site 88mobileapp.com/ebooks. So for example, if I have this PDF file, so I just open this file, Facebook app secret. So note that if your PDF file have spaces here, for example, you need to make sure it has no spaces. So again, I rename it so that it has no spaces. So if your file has spaces, it won't work on this platform. So go back again. I will choose this ebook. So upload. So I upload this file here. Open. And then I choose. Next, you need to hit this button, Generate Preview. So note that this ebook has 30 pages. So there are a few things that you can do here. So the first one, you can just make selection here. So I will just select this one. And then I press here to edit the selection. So maybe you can add text here, or you can change your text color, background. So I will advise you to put the border width as 0 so that there is no border. So action here, maybe you want to bring your app user, when tap this selection, it will bring to a website. So I just choose external. Maybe this one I just put facebook.com. So save. So when your app user use this ebook, when he tap this selection, it will direct him or her to facebook.com. So this is for example. So maybe the next thing I want to do is to add a button. So I just go here. And then I select button. This one text, maybe you say go to our website. So the border I choose as 1 pixel. Action. External. Or maybe you can choose others. If you want to direct him go into your PDF page, for example, jump to 16, you can also do that and save it. But for this button, so I just choose external. Maybe you want to direct your user to your website, so I just type here. So just save. And you can make it bigger if you want. And you can always drag here, drag to the center. So next, maybe on the final page, you can add some image if you want. So I just choose here. Say I choose Apple again. So background, I leave it blank. Border 0. So action, external again. So maybe I bring the app user to apple.com, save. So the other thing you can do is to edit this table of content. So you can always add as many as you want. So for the first page, you can add image if you want. You can change the title. You can change the subtitle. And you can bring your app user to other tabs in your mobile app. So maybe tabs number 6. Or you can actually delete all this so that there is no table of contents. So it is up to you to do so. Or you can delete if you want. So after you are happy with this ebook app, you can always save changes and then hit done. So now I'm on my mobile phone again. I just hit preview. Go to tab number 10. So if you click here, it will guide you to the URL you just set. So Facebook, yes, that's correct. So this ebook is left to right. It's like a book. So go to our website. It is workable also. You can always touch here. Let's say we go to the final pages. And then we tap here. Apple.com. Yes, it is workable again. And the table of contents is right here. So maybe we can touch here and go to tab number 6. So it is very easy to integrate this ebook app to your mobile app. So remember to always go to this URL here to download all kinds of ebooks in any niche. So that's it for ebook app. Thank you. In order to create newsfeed app, you go to edit here. And then you choose convert page. Then you find RSS. So it is here. And then just convert. So for the header image, you can customize to the image that you want by clicking here, browse, and then you upload the images from the computer. For header title, you can choose any title that you want. For RSS URL, basically, you need to know the standard RSS URL for WordPress.org blogs or the blogger.com blogs. So for WordPress.org, the standard URL is this one. yourwebsite.com/feed. And for Blogger, standard URL is your blog name, blogspot.com, feeds, posts, default. Note that this one FEED, this one have another S here, and the posts also have a S. So take note of that. So let's say we just input a very famous website. It is called Mashable. FEED. So just apply here. So after you're happy with this one, you just click save and then just done. So I'm on my mobile phone again. So just click preview. So your app user can just tap here to see the news feed. So depending on the nature of your mobile app, you can actually integrate this news feed app into your mobile app. So that's it for this app. Thank you. In order to create a memory game app, first you go to edit here on tab number 2 and then convert page. So type here memo . So this is a game. Convert. And basically I have a hidden PNG here. So hidden meaning this chess object here. So I just choose my object, upload, question mark .png. So I just choose, and then I will advise you to add around 8 resources for this memo game. So you will know why later. So for this resource 1, I choose an image. Say I choose this image as my first image. So 1.png. This one 2.jpg. Sorry, it's JPG, not PNG. And then 3.jpg, and so on. So now I just memorize the number 1.jpg. So resource number 1, 1.jpg. So I just copy this one, Ctrl C, go to resource 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So after you're happy with this one, you just click save and then done. So now I go to mobile phone again. I just preview it. Tab 2. Just press start. 1. And the game completed. So I just press OK. So basically you can restart and change to another game. So basically you can create kids related mobile app like this one. So you just replace the image that you feel is more cartoonized as for kids to play it. So you can actually integrate this game app into your mobile app. That's it. Thank you. So in order to create menu, you go to edit here. Convert page. And you choose one of these menu here. So for this example, I will use this grid menu. So I just convert. So for this one, this is a text item color, which is white in color. So this is white color. And then this one, background item color, is this black here. So this is a black color, as you can see here. So you can always choose the color you want. Opacity is this one. So if I make it as 1, you will see it will all become black. So if 0, invisible. So I just put 0.6. So as you can see here, there are total about 6 items. So of course you can add as many items as you want, but I just limit to 6 as for now. So for item number 1, so you can just edit this text here. This is tab number 1. So you can change your image by clicking here, browse, and then upload your photos, and then link to page tab 1. So this one, tab number 2, tab 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Number 3. So of course, you will need to enter or input your own image. So maybe you need some Photoshop skills here. So after you're happy with your menu, you just click Save and then Done. So I'm on my mobile phone again. Just click Preview. Tab 3. And you can see here, if I tap tab 1, it will go to RSS feed. Tab 2 will go to memory game. Tab 3 is here, this page. tab 4, just blank, and so on. So you can actually customize your menu. So that's it for this video. Thank you. In order to create your Facebook app, first you will need to go to this site here, developers.facebook.com/apps/. So when you go to this page, you just click this button, add a new app, and then you choose Android. So maybe your Android name is this, just for example. So after that, I create new Facebook app ID. So I choose a category. Maybe your app is game. So games. Subcategory, I choose action. And then I just create app ID. So after that, you just click here, skip quick start. Next, you will need to go to settings here and input your contact email. So maybe this is your email address. After that, I add platform. So Android. This one you need to fill Google Play package name. So maybe your package name is this one. So basically I'm on Facebook Google Play Store page now. So this is a package name, com.facebook.katana. So this is Facebook mobile app package name. So go back to this dashboard again. So maybe your game is com. So for example, I just choose this one. This is my app actually. So this is Google Play package name. After that, I go to this status and review. So do you want to make this app and all its live features available to the general public? So I choose yes. Confirm. Note that this will turn in green color. So I go to my dashboard again. And then this is your app ID. So you just copy it and maybe paste it on Notepad, for example. So that's it. Thank you. So before you share your mobile app to Facebook, you will need to do some settings here. So just go to dashboard here. So I'm on my dashboard now. So you scroll down a bit and you find this Google Play properties and also app settings. So I will go to this page here, Google Play properties. So now I'm on Google Play properties. You will need to change this app title. So I already renamed it as your Android app. So next we'll go to this app settings. You will need to key in your Facebook API key, which is also app ID. So this is a Facebook app ID that I already taken from the previous video. So I just copy here, paste here, and then I just save it, save changes. So remember to save this one also, save. So don't worry about this one. So after this, you click Edit. And then Convert Page. And then you find App Share. So this page, convert. So you also need to put this app ID here. And then this one, application name, I rename it as Your Android App. And then this icon, you can change to your own icon by using Photoshop. So our focus is on sharing to Facebook. So I won't touch this part here. And then this is the app description. If I change here, this will also change. So I just delete this one. Delete. So just left this application description. So share description, I can write like this. This is the description when sharing to Facebook. So I just left this one blank and this one blank because our focus is on Android. So the problem is when you share your mobile app to Facebook, you may see this page rather than this page. So I will teach you how to bypass from this web page link to this Android app link. So notice that the standard web page link is this one, and the Android app link is this one. So I will teach you in the next video on how to bypass this to this one. So that's it. Thank you. So I assume you know WordPress. So on your WordPress dashboard, you go to Add New here, Plugins, Add New, and then you search affiliate links. So you just enter. You can try any others plugin also, but I will recommend this one, Easy Affiliate Links. So you just install these plugins on your WordPress. So after this, you click here and then Add New. So I'm on this page now, Add New. So you rename this one, or you name this one as your Android app. So this one also your Android app. And then this one, you put the Android app link, which I mentioned before in the previous video. So you just put market, details ID, and then package name. So this one, package name, I will use my app link here. So this is a package name. And next, you can just add your short link slug here. So I name it as your Android app is here. So maybe your goal is recommends here, and I actually already changed it to a shorter phrase or word. After that, you just publish, and then you copy this one, copy this URL here, Ctrl C, copy, and then go back to your Google Play link here. So Ctrl V. So this is a URL, and then I just click save and then done. So I'm on my mobile phone now. I just preview it. On tab 4, share on Facebook. And then you can write something if you want. I choose only me. And then I just share. So just tap here. And this is the app. So that's it for this video. Thank you. In order to set up the user interface or user experience of your mobile app, you go to your mobile app dashboard here, and then you click Page Settings. So I'm on my page settings now. So for this global application settings, you need to tick none here and bottom here. So meaning your AdMob advertisement will be shown on the bottom of your mobile app screen. So and then the top, none. So if you look at here, this is the upper part or top. This is the bottom part or lower part of the Google AdMob banner ad. So I think it is better you put here because your app user may be accidentally click here. So this is a trick for you. So it also depends on you whether you want to put bottom here or up here. So I will advise you to put here for this reason. Note that you cannot put two advertisements on one page according to Google AdMob policy here. So for the ad placement, the number of ads on a single screen should not exceed 1. If the ad is fixed to the screen top or screen bottom, meaning in our case here, you should only put one and not both. So going back here again, you can also proceed with others advertisement network, but I will stick to AdMob. So for this navigation bar, if you notice here, this is invisible, meaning if I check here, it means visible. If I uncheck, it means it is invisible. So tab number 2 is visible. So as you can see here, when I tap number 2, so here is a navigation bar. If I tap 1, it is invisible. So you can always just check or uncheck this option according to your needs. Remember to save changes. So for this ad banner, this is global application settings. So to be safe, you just click none here, bottom, none, bottom, and so on. So what is interstitial ads? This is an interstitial ads, and this one is banner ad. So there is no option for you to take here. So never mind. We just go on. Transition or animation, not available also. Flick, not available. Rating, not available. Sharing, not available. So for web view, say you want to enable the zooming in your mobile app, you can just check here. So after you're happy with all this, you just save changes. So that's it for this user interface and user experience section. Thank you. So in order to customize your mobile app tab, you go to your dashboard here and then you click navigation settings. So I'm on navigation settings now. So to make your mobile app tab more beautiful, you choose custom tabs. And then you can always customize here. So basically you can add up to 10 tabs on your mobile app. So now I have around 10, yes. And you can always delete tabs that you don't like by clicking here or duplicate the tab that you want. So for example, this is tab 1. So this is the image for your icon. Note that this one is one group, second group, third group, fourth group. So you can always customize to the ways that you want. So selected icons meaning when you touch the icon, it will change to this color. So you just choose here. So for this example, I will just copy and paste coffee. So I Ctrl C for copy and then I paste here. Tab number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So after you are happy with this one, you just save changes. So here is a very good website from Google. You can actually download the icons that you want. So I just scroll down. Maybe I want to download this icon here. I just click here. And then I just choose whether I want white color or black color. Or you can choose a DP if you want. And then you can save as SVG, which can be opened in Adobe Illustrator or PNGs in Photoshop. So it is up to you to download all these free icons here. And then you can see here. So you can only put 5 tabs per slider. So meaning this is just 5 tabs, another 5 tabs. So total up it's 10 tabs. So remember, you can always choose or design your own icon and then upload here. So that's it for this video. Thank you. So for other important settings, you go to your dashboard here and then you scroll down and click Application Settings. So I'm on Application Settings now. So for this tab, I will advise you to click or take these 2 options here to enable app rotation, because it is disabled by default. And then this one also enables zoom for external sites. It is also disabled by default. So for this app rotation, maybe you want your app user to rotate their screen when using your mobile app. So I will illustrate here. So this is my mobile phone. So now this is in the portrait position. If landscape, it will be like this. So you need to enable this option here to make your user happy. So this one, you just enable app rotation here. So for this share link, you just put your Google Play URL here. So remember, this is your package name. So for this startup option, you uncheck this one. Access control, everyone, this one uncheck. In-app settings, just uncheck this one. Mobile ads I will cover in the next lecture. Facebook API key or Facebook ID that you get for developers.facebook.com. So this one you no need to touch it. Google Analytics I will teach you in other video. SMTP, unless you know about email marketing stuff, you can just customize here. So I just skip this part. FTP, this is the server. Maybe you need to use FileZilla to do this if you know about websites. So if you don't know, just leave this blank. Platform specific option, uncheck this one. So if you have in-app purchases, you need to enable this one. So for this example, I just uncheck. Use expansion files. Maybe in the later times, your APK file is much greater. You need to take this one. But if your app is very small in size, no need to take this one. So for your information, we also have this option here. These two options. When your app is very big in size, you can actually transfer the in-app resources to our cloud resources here. So Android application install location, just make it auto. So just leave this one blank if you don't know how to use it. It is required if pages with maps are used. So you check this one, scale web pages to base resolution. Localization, no need to touch it. Edit the XML, no need to touch it. So after you're happy with this one, you just save changes. So that's it for other settings. Thank you. So you will need Google AdMob account. So you go to google.com/admob and then you just sign up. So I would recommend you to use different email address from your Google Play developer account. So you just sign up here. Then you will need to just go step by step. Note that Essence, AdWords, and AdMob is the same account. So you better use different email from your Google Play developer account. So after you create all this, you need to key in this PIN, PIN PIN, that is delivered to your home address. So make sure you did not put any fake details. So make sure you get the PIN numbers. The PIN numbers will be sent to your home address maybe after 2 weeks or another 1 month. So you need to just input or insert the PIN to your AdMob account. So after that, say you need to log in to your AdMob account. So it is apps.admob.com. Then you need to monetize new app. So you just click the monetize new app button inside this site, and then this is a standardized AdMob ID. So these two. So this is the standard AdMob ID. So this is for banner. Banner is more advertisement inside your game app. Interstitial is a full screen apps, full screen advertisement on your game apps. So this one make more money than this one generally. So one of the tricks that many developers don't know is this refresh rate. So you need to set it to the lowest so that your advertisement can rotate very fast. So this one, make sure you make it as 30 seconds. So this one in interstitial, make it as 3 seconds. Then this one is your package name for this reference. So this is a very useful Excel file to keep you organized. So the most important thing is to just obtain this Apple ID. Note that you no need to integrate SDK. So all is already available on the source code. Google Analytics is a very important tool for you to analyze your mobile app activity. So it is free. Go and register it. On your dashboard, you go to Application Settings, and then you go here, and then click here. So just sign in, and then Google Analytics. So just sign in with your account here. So after you sign in, you just sign up here. And then you choose mobile app. So this is your Android app account name. Then here is your Android app name. So just select the industry category. So maybe it's games. And then reported time zone, US, or you choose your own country. Get tracking ID. Note that you can create up to 100 accounts. So get tracking ID. And then you just accept. So this is a tracking ID. You just copy this one, Control C copy, and then you paste here. And then you just click Save Changes. So to give you an overview, this is your Android app account name. You can open up to 100. And then this one, your property, basically is your Android app. Maybe this one is your Google Play developer account. And then under your Google Play developer account, you have many apps inside it. So you just always can create new property here and then view your mobile data. Maybe you have also iOS account. So this is your iTunes account. And then your iOS application. And then you view the mobile statistics. So to give you an example, this is my app on the Play Store. And you can see under behavior screen here, you can see a lot of activities going through. So about.html, it has around 3,700 views, and then also others. So you can actually track your mobile app activity right here. So this is a very powerful tool so that you can think of methods on how to improve your mobile app. Maybe the contents, maybe the images you need to change. So you can use these tools to better analyze your mobile app. So just use this tool, it is free. So that's it for this Google Analytics sessions. Thank you. So for this section, I assume you have Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator softwares. So I'm on this page now. So just for an example, I choose this Android and then I download it here. I choose 48 dp and then black color, and then I download both SVG and PNGs. So this SVG is for Illustrator use. This one is for Photoshop use. So actually I already downloaded it here, and then this one I pick it from pixabay.com. So I will use these three images to teach you. So this session is very compact, so just pay attention. So first, I'm on my Photoshop now. So to create a new image, you just press Ctrl N. And then let's say I want to create my mobile app icon. I choose the width as 512, height 512, and then I just click OK. So in order to fit this screen, you can press Ctrl plus 0, meaning I just press the Ctrl and the 0 button only. So next, I can just drag this one. So I drag this one into my Photoshop. So just drag. And then when you see this one, you can actually press this button here to maintain the aspect ratio. So I just press here and then I just adjust. So notice that it will change. So this is my mouse. I can rotate it and then I can move it to the center. So after you are happy with this one, you just press enter button on your keyboard. Then you choose this one. You can just moving around. So notice actually I just press this layer here. Only I can move. If I press this layer, I cannot move. So I just press this one and then I just move. So you will see this one, this picture here as compared to this one. So this one actually you need to right click and then rasterize layer. So I undo again. How to undo? I press Ctrl, Alternate and Z together. So it's 3 buttons rather than Ctrl Z. So I just right click again and then I rasterize layer. So now I can just move around. So for this one, this is move button. For this one, you can just right click here. I press this layer. I press this one. This is a select button. And then I just right click here. Right click and then free transform. So actually you can just drag it big or small by pressing this one to maintain the ratio. So after you're happy with this one, you just press enter. So the other tools. So this is a tool, eyedropper. So for example, I just drag this one to my Photoshop here, not here, here. Say I like this red color here, so I just press this one and then I take this one. On this swatches, I right click again. So this is the color I just picked here and then I press OK. So this is the color you like from this picture. So go back here again. So say I just press this magic eraser tool. You can actually press this one. You can right click to see further option. Same with this one. You left click and then you right click here to choose. So I back here again. Right click, magic eraser tool. So I go to this image here and then I just left click here. So notice this one is a transparent area. This one also transparent. So I click this one. This is a layer. So basically I can just move this layer to here. So how I move this one? I just press this one, select this layer, and then I just move here. So I can just move. I can press here and then free transform to make it big or small. And then after you're happy with this one, enter. So after this, I just click this one. This is a paint tool. So for example, I want to delete this one. I just click here and then I press the delete button on my keyboard. Delete. So I can choose this color. I press this one and then I press this one. I just hit here. So you can just recolor it and then Control Alternate Z, Control Alternate Z again and again to go back to your initial state. So now I just move down a bit and then I click this one, text. I click here and then I select here. So maybe I write Android. So here, because my text is too big here, so I just click here, Control A to select all inside this box here, and then I choose here, choose 10. So the word already appear because just now I choose bigger font here. So I just Control A again and then I choose 14. So you can actually highlight here and then choose other colors. Then basically you can download the fonts here. You can choose a font and you can even download the fonts from the internet. So I will show you here. This is a very good website called 1001 fonts.com. So you can just search for fonts, but note that you need to click this one. This is free for commercial use. So maybe I write Christmas here, enter, and then this is all the Christmas fonts. So I just click here to make sure it is free for commercial use. And then you can always download these fonts, install it, and then it will appear here. So remember to download and install. So say I want to highlight this one, and then I choose this font here. So it already changed. So I cannot, of course, enter here because this is a text. So I just choose another layer so that I can move this Android here. So I can just move around, and then I can always right click, free transform, maintain the ratio, and then hit enter. So say I want to just uncheck this layer here so that it is transparent. So I can actually trim this location here. So what is trim? So before you trim an image, you need to make sure you merge all these layers or you flatten the image. So I can just right click here and then choose flatten image. So discard hidden layers, meaning I discard this background which is already hidden. So OK. So I just press this one to make sure it is layer 0, and then I use this eraser to make it transparent. So in order to trim this image here, I just go to image and then trim, and then you just press OK. So I Ctrl Alt Z again, undo, and you can see the difference. So that one is trim. So now I Ctrl Alt Z again to undo all the steps. So basically I can also just press this one and then I change the font size here. I can right click and then I go to blending options here, and then I can actually press this one stroke. So you can see here, stroke, I click here again. This is outside position, meaning I add a stroke on the outside of the text. So I can actually just adjust here, adjust to 3 or 6, outside or inside if you want, and then I just press OK. So basically you can just explore other options here. So including here, you can always just tick here to make sure others option also available here. So I just click OK. So I can also press this one to make it look nicer. I can also group these layers here by pressing here and then Ctrl, press again with my mouse, right click, group from layers, and then group 1, press OK. And then I can just right click here, duplicate the group again. Maybe this one is group 2. OK. So say I select this layer here, I move this layer, so you can see that is 2 layers. So I just hit this one, delete. So basically you can also just tick here, and then you want to reduce the opacity. Here you can just adjust here depending on your needs. So the other things I want to tell you is that this SVG can be opened on this Illustrator software. So rather than SVG, .ai or .eps files also can be opened with Illustrator. So I just double click this one here. So again, I can press Ctrl 0, and then I can press F7 to see the layers. Expand it. So I hide it. This one also can. Open it. So if I want to select this one, I just click here. I just hide this one. Minimize again. And then I just click here. So notice that I just select these layers. I can bring these files to Photoshop. So I just go here again. So you can always hit here, make it bigger, and then I just press enter. So notice this one, you can rasterize the layer. So again, this is movable. So another example, this is a .eps files, also can be opened with Illustrator. So for example, I want to just take this button here. So obviously this one just cannot hide. You need to expand this one. And then you only choose, because you want this layer, so you just try an error here. Yes, it's this layer. So I just press here. And then I bring this layer to Photoshop again. So click here, minimize it a bit, and then you can enter. So notice this one, you can actually rasterize, or you can even edit from this Photoshop. You edit, you double click here, it will go to Illustrator. So I just double click this one. As you can see here, it already opened in Illustrator. So maybe I don't want this shadow here. Okay. So I just press here. Basically, you no need to press here. You just hit Ctrl S to save it. So this one, we doesn't have this shadow. So we check again. Yes, the shadow already disappeared. Say you are happy with this image, you just press Ctrl Shift S, and then you choose PNG. So save at desktop. Save. Okay. Another thing, you can also press Ctrl Shift S, and then you save this Photoshop file for future editing. Again, I press desktop here, save. Okay. So as you can see, you already saved a .png file and a PSD file. So basically you need to practice a lot to master these skills. I already make this course very compact, so take your time to learn. So that's it for this section. Thank you. For your mobile app icon, you go to your main dashboard here and then you scroll down to the app multimedia here. So you just click it. So now I'm on my app multimedia now. So notice that there is two sections here. One is app icons, the other one is splash screens. So I will talk this one first. So you will need to upload all these dimensions of your mobile app. So if you look at here, only one app icon already uploaded here. So you will need to create other 4. But don't worry, we have a very good tool for you. It is called Icons Layer. So you just Google it, Icons Layer. This is a page, right click, and then open in new tab. So I'm on this page now. So this is a site. It is called JSON. First, you will need to load your image here, where you need to create using Photoshop. So I'm on Photoshop now. When you open a new file, you need to press Ctrl N. So basically I can set this one as 1024 times 1024 pixels and not other units. So it is pixel. So I will explain to you why you need to use a greater pixels rather than use a smaller pixel. So just press OK. So this is your new icon here. I close here because I already done here. And note that you can actually press alternate Ctrl and I to change the dimensions. So maybe you can increase the size. It depends on you. But make sure you don't check this one, because if you check this one, the ratio won't be maintained. So remember to click this one. So this is to maintain the ratio of your mobile app. So after that you click OK. So after you're happy with your icon, you can just press Ctrl+Shift+S to save it. So I will advise you to name this file as icon. So you can actually save this one first. You save at desktop. So this is PSD. You just save it. OK. And then next, I will also advise you to save as PNG. So again, you press Ctrl+Shift+S. And then this one you choose PNG. So remember, it is PNG. Save. OK. So say I have my image already. So I just load the image. You click here and then press this one. OK. So it will load, as you can see here. But you will need to configure some of these options here. So I will advise you to just drag here to 0 and then make rounded corners and smoothing. So rounded corner look nicer. And iOS and Android. Although you create your Android app, I will advise you to take these 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then this one put 0. You just export your icons. So save at desktop again. Save. There you go. You just right click and then you just extract here. So after this, you just upload all of the dimension here. You can always go to here, 36, So I just find the 36 dimension, sizes, 36. So all others dimension is also available here. So just upload one by one. So remember, there is another site here. It is called appicontemplate.com/Android. You can go to this website here to download the PSD, and then you just add it in your Photoshop. So this is for icons. So next I will talk about these splash screens. The moment I press the preview, the screen called splash screen. So I just press preview here. So this is your splash screen. So going back here again, you can design your splash screen. So that's it for App Multimedia. Thank you. So what is push notification? It is basically the message that's sent to your smartphone notification tray. You need a system to send this message to your app user. So how to do that? So just go to your dashboard here, and then you scroll down until you see this one, push notification. So I'm on this page now. So basically, before you send your push notification message, before you click this button, you need to do this. You need to add an announcement page to your mobile app. How to do this? You just go to your dashboard again, and then you click Edit Pages. So I'm on this page now. So you scroll down to the bottom here, and then click this Add New Page. So you'll find announcement, and then next. So you can rename this one, add pages, and then you just save, done. So in order to make this page visible, you need to add it into your mobile menu page. So I just click here, tab 3 for example. So maybe this tab 1 is my announcement page. So I just, from item 1, I choose this one, announcement 1.html. So after that, you just save it, and then done. So now you can start to send this message or notification to your app user. So remember to write something useful to your app user so that they won't feel annoying. So this is just an example. So remember, you also can add some links here. So I will recommend you to choose this Google URL shortener, which can be accessed on this URL here, goo.gl, and then you create your own URL shortener and then paste here. So remember, it is better to have a space here, and this one also. So for this example, I just hit send to my app user. So as you can see here, I can push to a number of more than 400,000 devices around the world. So to make this happen, you need to make sure your mobile app have many downloads. So it is not easy. Maybe you need some app marketing method to make this happen. So this is one of my mobile app. So it stated already delivered to more than 400,000 devices around the world. So completed. So you can send also another message if you want. So that's it for this lecture. Thank you. Basically, geofencing app can help you to expand your business, especially your local business. So how to integrate this app into your mobile app? So just go to your dashboard here, and then you choose geofences. So just click here, and then I enable geofences. I add the first geofences, and you can add additional if you want. So I just stick with this first geofence. So you can change the title here, and you can always edit here. So let's say I want to increase my radius to 200 meters, or even more if you want. So I enter a location. Say I want to go to White House in Pennsylvania. So you can actually maximize it. So when people reaching this area, from here goes to here, he or she will receive the message telling that he is near this White House area. So you can maximize a bit. And note that there's a feature here. You can always go inside White House to see. So this is a place, and you can just go further if you want. Okay, after you're happy with this one, you just click OK. So you may need to copy this location. So latitude, I just type 38.8976, and then the longitude. So this is a standard Google Maps location. So maps.google.com/Q equal latitude, comma, longitude. So there is no space here. Note that. So say the message that I will send is this one. So I just copy this one to here. And then I just copy here. Copy. And then I just put here. Control V. Or you can rearrange this one to your needs. So after you're happy with this one, you just save changes. So take advantage of this app. That's it for geofencing app. Thank you. Before you deploy your mobile app to the mobile app store, you can check your app size here. So if your app size is very large, you can actually go in app resources here, And then let's say this file is very big. You just right click and then move to Cloud Resources. So just move here, click here, and you choose, and it will sync. So check again on your Cloud Resources. So you can see it is here. So this one can actually reduce your app size. So remember, you can do this from App Resources, move to Cloud Resources. So after that, you can just click here, ready to publish. And then start submission process. Instant build, because you want to put on your own developer account. Next. And then make sure you upload all this. So next. And then make sure you check this one. I want push notification enable. So next. And then make sure you check all this unless you know what is the permission. So this one uncheck all. Next. And then here is your application name, your Android app, your package name here. And then I advise you to check here. So for this one, maybe your version name is 1.0, version code is 1. So let's say this is your first app and you want to update your app. So you can write here 1.1 and then this one 2. So let's say if you have major upgrades on your app, you can always write here 2.0 and then this one 3. So after you're happy with this one, you just click submit and then just done. So you will receive an email stated that your app is in progress. So just back to edit app here. And then after a while, this download button will appear here. So just download and then extract that zip file. Finally, you can upload that APK file to Google Play Store or Apple App Store. So that's it. Thank you.